Hello friends, welcome to my channel Market Analysis with Amit Dhamija. So today we'll do three things. We'll review the participant wise positions of different market participants in the market, what they have done today. Secondly, we will have a look at the SGX Nifty open interest. Thirdly, we'll also have a look at the charts of Nifty and Bank Nifty. And based on all these three things, we'll try to formulate a view as to how the markets are likely to behave on Monday, that is 10th of August. So, without wasting any time further, we'll go straight away to the summary data. So, the retail clients, that is the individual clients, have mostly taken a bullish position in the market. As regard DIs, that is domestic institutions are concerned, they have taken a further index future shorts, and FIs have mostly been bearish today. The pros showed a mixed bag. Pros are those HNI brokers who only trade for themselves. So now we'll try to have a further detailed look at the data. We'll also check for the trend of 2 days ago. So 2 days ago, the retailers were holding around 2600 long index futures, then 1100 yesterday, and now they increased the longs to around 7000 contracts. Then the domestic institutions, they are in the same range, and they are just building on to their index future shorts. Then the FIs, foreign institution investors, so their index future longs continue to be there in the system. So they are still holding around 18,500 contracts. The pros have though reduced their contracts, which were actually taken by the retailers, if you see. So the retailers have increased their longs, whereas the pros, that is the HNI traders, have decreased their longs. Now let's talk about the index calls. So in index calls, the retail clients have reduced their quantity, and that reduced quantity was reduced the index call shorts. So which was actually provided to them by FIs today. As regards index puts are concerned, the Babbar share category, because we call them Babbar share because they are the brave hearts who short the puts, and so they have bought some puts today. Okay, and they were supplied to them mostly by the pro clients. As regards stock futures are concerned, there is a clearly a trend prevailing. The FIs are slowly reducing their stock futures, whereas at the same time, uh, the retail clients keep on increasing their stock future longs. As regards stock call longs, once again retailers were on the buying side and pros on selling side, and in the puts also they were on the buying side and pros on the selling side. So before taking the conclusion, we'll have a look at chart, and we'll also go at the NSE website as well, and we'll also have a look at the option chain. All this we'll try to finish within total 12-13 minutes maximum. So if you see, based on the last 10 days range, 10 trading days, we can clearly see that there is a resistance now at around 11,220 levels, and then around 260 levels, 300 levels, and 340 levels. So these are the resistances for Nifty, and the support is at 11,140, 11,060, 11,940, and 10,940 and 10,880. So these are the resistances, supports. Now let's talk about Bank Nifty. In Bank Nifty, there is a resistance at 21,800, 21,950, and 22,350. So there was another resistance at 21,700, but today somehow we were able to cross it. You can clearly see that this was the resistance level we marked yesterday also, and it took around sixth candle to finally break and give a close above it. Otherwise, this candle which is on the left, so this one couldn't break, this one, I mean these could break but they couldn't close above it, and then these three candles again tried a lot but couldn't either break or close above it. So finally this was the candle which gave a decisive move. So now finally we have a closing above 21,700 level, so it should act as a good support level. And now, because why? Because there is, the market has been in a steady range for quite a few sessions now, and now that range has been broken. And whenever we break and close above 21,950, that is the next resistance. But prior to that, there is a resistance at 21,800. If these two resistances are broken, the markets are likely to see some newer highs. And the supports are available at 21,450, 21,280, and 21,040. So these are the resistances. Now we go to SGX Nifty. So in SGX, you can see the open interest is now reduced to 221968. Yesterday it was around 700 contracts more, so no major impact over there, but we can clearly see that there is some sort of short covering over there, because of which the open interest has reduced. Now we'll move to the NSE website and we'll try to identify the cash market data. And then so you can see the FIs were on buying spree here again, whereas the DIs were on the selling side, and the remaining 30-40 crore have been bought by uh, the retail clients. So we move to Nifty, Nifty futures. So clearly you can see that there is some 15 points premium, and there is some long build up. And on the option chain, you can clearly see that there is some good put writing, and we have a good support at 11,100 and 11,000 levels. So these should act as good support levels for the market. And 11,300 is a good resistance, and beyond that 11,500 is the next big resistance. And on the bank Nifty side, you can see that there is a good uh, there is a premium of around 40 points, and there is a good long build up. So we clearly see that there is bank Nifty appears to be more bullish to me according to the data we have seen so far, and the support is at 21,500 and then 21,000. And the resistance, although we have this support zone also, and we have resistance at 22,000 level and 22,500 levels. So now we'll move to the conclusion. Before conclusion, we'll read out the disclaimer. This knowledge sharing is for educational purposes only. These are not buy sell calls. Please consult your financial advisor before taking any action. Keep stop loss in system and trail whenever you earn profit. World market should not have opposite trend. Watch out for market impacting news. The paid webinars for best strategies. Our mantra is earning is hidden in learning. You can clearly see if you add L to earning, it will be learning. So then only 3 seats left for the Hindi session. For English, there is another specific English only session which is scheduled for 16th August. So if you are interested, just see the details in description and sign up today. And Telegram channel is t.me/market analysis Nifty Bank Nifty. So I'll conclude the market, although there is some bearish position taken by FIs today, but since the volume was not major in that, and they are consistently reducing their stock future position longs also. So basis that, I am of a view that they are slowly reducing their long position in the market, but at the same time overall they are still net long in the system. So the market is likely to continue with the bullish undertone, especially in the first half. So what I am doing is I remain bullish in the first half, and in second half I stay cautious. I stay bullish even then, but I stay cautiously bullish, and if I see anything on the price action, I plan to go short as well in the second half only. But so that's my view about the market, and again that is subject to the world markets. So that's about it, guys. I wish you a very happy weekend and a very happy and profitable trading day on Monday, that is 10th of August, and I pray to the Almighty that you earn a lot of profit on Monday, and keep remembering me in your good wishes, guys. God bless you. Take care. Bye bye.